How to fix Messenger waiting for this message. This might take a while problem. So if you want to fix Messenger waiting for this message, this might take a while problem, then what you need to do is first, you need to just go with your Messenger and go with the top left, which has that 3-bar icon. And after that, go with the top right again, which has that settings option. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and go with report technical problem. And after that, tap on report anyway. Tap on include or don't include anything that you're comfortable with. And it will start creating a report, so just wait for a few seconds. Now you just need to simply briefly explain what happened. So you need to write hello. Some of the messages I have received are on waiting mode, so kindly fix the problem. And once you've written that, you just need to simply go with the top right, which has send option, and then send. Once you've sent, then you might get some help from the Facebook team. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just go back, remove that, and then go with your Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. Because if you have any updates under your Messenger, then you might find this kind of problems. So search for your Messenger and go with update. And once you update it, you need to just restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Messenger waiting for this message. This might take a while problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.